In problem number 20, we're asked to find the equation of a normal line. Remember that a normal line is perpendicular to the tangent line at the point of tangency. So first, we're going to have to find the tangent line. It looks like problem number 20 is going to provide us with a great opportunity to review some of our trigonometry. So, like before, to find the equation of a tangent line, we need an x and a y value. We know that x is 3 pi over 2, so let's find the value of y when x is 3 pi over 2. 2 times the sine of 3 pi over 2 times the cosine of 3 pi over 2 minus the sine of 3 pi over 2. Of course, we're going to draw a unit circle to visualize this. Three pi over 2 is right down here, and the coordinates are 0, -1. Well, remember that the sine corresponds to the y value, and the cosine of theta corresponds to the x value at the point on the unit circle. So we get y equals 2 times the sine of 3 pi over 2, which is -1, times the cosine of 3 pi over 2, which is 0, minus the sine of 3 pi over 2, which is -1. So we can see that y is going to equal 1. When x is 3 pi over 2, y equals 1. You got 0 minus -1, giving us positive 1. Now, we're not quite done. We still have to find the equation of a tangent line. And from the equation of the tangent line, we'll then get the equation of our normal line. So, getting started with the tangent line, we have y minus 1 equals the slope times the quantity x minus 3 pi over 2. Okay. And our job is to find m, find the slope. So let's get to work. Now to find m, we're going to have to differentiate. So we'll have y prime equals 2 times the derivative of sine is cosine. Oh boy, oops, hold on. We got a product rule there. I'm sorry, we got a product, so we're going to have to use the product rule. So let's back it up a step. Let's go like this. Y prime equals, just for the sake of communication, we're going to use the first and second function. Let's say 2 sine of x is the first function, and cosine of x is the second function. So here it goes. We have y prime is the first, times the derivative of the second. The derivative of cosine is the opposite of sine. Throw the negative sign out in front of the 2, plus the second function, cosine of x times the derivative of the first. And so that's going to be 2 times cosine of x. And of course, minus sine of x, the derivative of sine is cosine. Ooh, let's see if we can clean this up a little bit. Sine times sine, this is -2 times sine squared. Plus 2 times cosine squared, and then minus cosine of x. Okay, and we need to evaluate this guy when x equals 3 pi over 2. Well, we have the unit circle already drawn, so this is going to go, it's going to go smoothly. Y prime is going to be -2 times the sine of x squared, plus 2 times the cosine of x squared minus the cosine of x. So, cleaning this up, -1 squared is 1, 1 times -2 is -2, plus 2 times 0 minus 0. So our derivative is -2 at x equals 3 pi over 2. We just found the value of our slope. Now we can complete our tangent line equation. Y minus 1 equals -2 times the quantity x minus 3 pi over 2. Okay, we're almost there. Now to get the normal line, you got to remember that the normal line is perpendicular to the tangent line at the point of tangency. And you remember perpendicular lines have opposite reciprocal slopes. So the slope of our tangent line is -2 you can think of that as negative 2 over 1. So the opposite of negative is positive, and the reciprocal of 2 over 1 is 1/2. So our normal line is going to be y minus 1 equals positive 1/2 times the quantity x minus 3 pi over 2. So this is the equation of our normal line. Unfortunately, this doesn't match the answers listed because these are all in, well, they all have y by themselves. So let's, so we're going to have to distribute and get y by itself. All right, we're not scared. Y minus 1 is going to equal 1/2 x minus half of 3 pi over 2 is 3 pi over 4. Now we're going to add 1 to both sides. Oops, forgot the x here. There we go. Y minus 1 equals 1/2 x minus 3 pi over 4. And now we'll add 1. So we'll get 1/2 x and minus 3 pi over 4 plus 1. Let's write that down and then look at the options, see if we have to simplify that at all. No, we don't. This matches option letter C. Well, that was a real character builder. Thank you for watching the video. Hope it was helpful.